Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send reminders in Docusign. Now, and as always, you want to head over to your Google Chrome browser or any preferred browser of your choice and then type in docusign.com and it will lead you to this home page. Now, on this page, you want to quickly log in if you already have a Docusign account, or you want to quickly sign up if you do not have an account. So ensure you have all the information right that you need to sign up so that it will be seamless for you. Now, having signed up, the next thing you want to do is log in and it will take you to this Docusign homepage. So this is what the homepage or the dashboard looks like. Next, to learn how to send reminders on Docusign, the first thing you want to do is head over to your start button, click on that, and it will take you to the page where you have to send reminders. Now, on this page, the next thing you want to do is ensure that you upload the document that you want to send reminders to, right? I'll have to choose any of these preferred options here to upload by document. For the purpose of this video, I'll just upload a document from my desktop. All right, so say I pick this document, uploads it in a few seconds. My document is finished uploading. Now, next, I want to add the recipient that I would work with. So I'll add this recipient. Can go ahead to add as many recipients as possible. And then when I'm done, down here you would see the option frequency of reminders. If you click on this drop down button over here, you will see that you have several options to work with, such as, do I want to set my reminders for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days? When I pick the option I want to, let's say I want to pick for every 4 days, when I'm done, I will just head over to the next page. Down here at the right corner, click on that, and then my reminder will be set and sent to this particular recipient on my document. So this is how to easily send reminders on Docusign. It's a very simple and straightforward step, and I hope you've been able to carry out this task. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until the next one, bye for now.